Hello viewers, we will shortly learn how to convert PDF free of cost into text. On the same issue, I have already made a video convert PDF into soft. However, the issue arises that the software required a key which need to be purchased. So this time we are doing with our existing software, that is MS Office. I open MS Office. You can see on the screen that drag down the PDF file, it will display a message, so you simply read it and click on OK. The PDF file now will automatically be converted into text. You can see both soft and hard are unchangeable. Both the files are available on the screen. The one is editable, you have already seen it, and another one you can see that it is not erasing. So this is free of cost. MS Office is almost available with every person who is using laptop, computer, whatever. So this is entirely free. We will now see another free software, which is Libreoffice Writer. It's just like MS Office. It do almost all the functions which MS Office do. This is entirely free. Link is available below my video. You can download it, you can use it. It's very effective and good software. You can see that I'm changing the text free of cost. You can do almost all the changes if you desire. This have rich features of text editing. No key or no purchase is required. Really interesting and good software. You can use it without any hesitation. The two methods you have already seen, so we will now try internet. In case if you do not have both of the software which I show you, simply go to Google and press convert PDF into soft. It will show a series of websites which does it free of cost. So you can see that I have already opened this link, and now I'll browse the file and will simply press convert. Now rename your file so you can identify. This is also free of cost, and it's very easy, and a number of websites provide this service free of cost. In this video, all the three ways are all completely free. No need of purchase of software or no need of authorization key. So this is done through net with the help of Google. Press enable editing at the top of right corner. Now you have already seen that the same text is again editable and full changeable in accordance to your wish. I hope you would like my video. Please subscribe and suggest your comments. Your comments will enable me to do more effort and bring more improvement to give you some good and informative videos. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.